Welcome to Cooking with John.
Mayonnaise. Blunt. Hot dog.
The cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good.
Get on in there.
The oil of the olives. Truffle salt.
Powered by meatstew.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ground scallop slider with a cilantro, lime, jalapeno aioli using meatstew.com's scallops. Start off by removing your scallops from the package and let them soak in a bowl of ice water. Remove them from the bowl of ice water and pat them down with a paper towel. Try to get as much moisture as you can out of them.
Don't press too hard though.
Now these are the things that you will need to make the scallop patties. A half a cup of Panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and a little bit of salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper's good.
Add it all to your food processor
Panko.
and mix until you get a nice chunky consistency.
Put it all in there nice.
Form your patties into whatever shape your bread is and place them on a pan set to medium-high heat with olive
Look at
oil.
those patties.
Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes per side.
Looks good.
Now for the aioli.
Aioli.
Take a handful of cilantro, 1 whole jalapeno,
I like spicy
2
stuff.
tablespoons of olive oil mayonnaise,
Oh, mayonnaise is nasty, dude.
1 whole lime,
It's crazy good.
2 tablespoons of olive oil,
Oil of the olives.
and blend in your food processor until you get a nice smooth consistency. Now to plate this bad boy. I like to use cabbage instead of lettuce because it gives the sandwich a nice crunch. Make sure not to be bashful with that aioli. And that to you, my friends, is a scallop slider with a cilantro, lime, jalapeno aioli, powered by meatstew.com from John.